Hey friends, so I am home from Aruba and I had the time of my life. It was a blast and I'm so happy that I got to at least share it with you to some extent, take you on the water with me and all that fun stuff. But I'm back and I'm ready to do some cracks. All right guys, here we go. I'm coming in. Nice. Let's get them knuckles. Oh, that was amazing. Remember, shake, stretch. Actually, lately, I've been getting these amazing cracks in my shoulder pops, naturally just popping. Stretch. I'll get some better pops from the shoulders for you, I promise, okay? Stay tuned for that. All right, friends, I'm going for the back with my method of madness so you guys can hear it, okay? Put my back up. Oh, I really hope you heard that. They were deep, deep, deep cracks in my back. Here we go on the other side. What I do is I'm lifting my leg up, putting it down, coming in, and then I'm twisting to get the back. Stretch. Okay. I'll get some better ones for you, I promise. All right. Oh, my neck. Sorry. Here we go. Oh, tingy. Oh, what a release. Crunchy. Okay, come with me to do some toes. Let's get some toe cracks. Here we go. Amazing. Let me get the other ones for you. Hold on. So deep. Hold on. Shh. Right now, I'm rocking I love them because they have the zebra print. I think they're fun. All right, friends, so I'm back. Thank you so much for tuning in, being there for me, supporting me, subscribing. Please comment below if there is anything at all that you want to know. Oh, actually, somebody commented and asked if I'm always on holiday, if I have a job. I am not always on holiday. I do love to travel. I want to travel the entire world. I am obsessed with learning about new places and cultures and just learning new things. I thrive on that. So, but no, I have a job, multiple jobs, radio personality. I'm an actress, do a lot of acting, a lot of commercial work. I also and a certified makeup artist in New York State, spokesperson for Laura Mercier Air, as well as a representative for the line. So I have multiple jobs. Reasoning is because I want to have the time to do the things that I love, such as this. I also have been a figure skater my entire life since I'm 2 years old. I competed professionally for 18 years. Once I stopped competing, I joined with the New York Islanders over here on Long Island, and I've been an NHL ice girl with the Islanders for about almost 8 years. So, but I think that's going to be coming to an end pretty soon. They moved to the whole Brooklyn thing, whatever. That's a whole nother story. We'll go into that next time, and I definitely did snort a little bit. My allergies, okay? It's real. The allergies are real. But either which way, friends, again, thank you so much, and please stay tuned. I have so much to come. ASMR is coming your way. I promise to not disappoint you. Okay. Comment below. Subscribe if you'd like to. And thank you so much. Remember, stay positive. Stay being you without any remorse because you're freaking awesome. All right. Till next time, my friends. Bye.